Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today I have a mesmerizing cocktail for you. Halloween is right around the corner and today's drink is definitely a magical one. I found this recipe online and honestly it was so pretty that I had to try it out. Today's potion is called Poison Apple and this is the perfect cocktail to trick your enemies. Or maybe even your friends. Really depends on what type of person you are. Or if you are a jealous wicked witch and you just happen to run out of poison apples, then you can try this cocktail instead. On the outside, it looks so yummy, so shimmery, and so innocent. But on the inside, it's a pit of intolerable burning pain, and eventually, fatality. Well, that's what you tell people anyway. It's actually just fruit juice and Fireball whiskey, so it's probably really tasty. And I'm going to have to try this later anyway, so there's no way that's actually poisonous. So without further ado, let's craft our poisonous apple. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 3 ounces of apple cider, 3 ounces of cranberry juice, 2 ounces of Fireball, 1 ounce of grenadine, and a 1/4 teaspoon of edible gold glitter. Alright, so first, grab a cocktail shaker. Add all the ingredients into the cocktail shaker. So in goes apple cider, cranberry juice, Fireball whiskey, grenadine, and edible glitter. Add ice and shake for about 30 seconds. Pour your concoction into a glass. I am going to add an apple slice for garnish. And ta-da! Poison apple is complete! Taste test time. Yo, just look at how glittery it is. Alright, I'm just going to take this off or else it's going to be really hard to drink. Okay, cheers! It's not as spicy as I thought it would be, but that makes a lot of sense since Fireball is actually a cinnamon whiskey. You definitely taste the cinnamon. It tastes like cinnamon heart candies. You know, those Valentine candies I used to get. It tastes like an apple cider and cinnamon heart hybrid. The recipe online definitely didn't look this red. It was definitely more of like a yellow-orange color. I think that's due to the cranberry juice that you buy. So if you buy the natural stuff, it's gonna be a lot deeper red than if you bought the cranberry cocktail version. This would be perfect for any fall events or parties that you may have. You really can't go wrong with apple and cinnamon flavors. This color really does look like a red apple. Ugh, it burns. I die. Pro acting skills. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me and please do not let me know if this potion actually works. Because I don't want to know and I am not responsible. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below and like and subscribe if you like this content. Until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!